disasters, my babe.
So hey guys, it's Candy G and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my room, so a room tour. The overall aesthetic and color scheme of my room is whites and black and like maybe pastel colors. So I hope you guys get some inspiration from my room, maybe to decorate your room. Maybe you're moving in, maybe that's why you're watching this video, or maybe you just want to see what my room looks like. It is aesthetically pleasing. Well, I think so anyway. Every time I'm coming home, I'm like, oh, room, like hello. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what my room looks like. Overall theme is white. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, let me stop rambling on because I could go on. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like my room, give it a thumbs up. And that is all, guys. I hope you enjoy it and peace out. So guys, when you walk in, here is my door. Next to it, I just have this calendar that my sister got me for Christmas. As you can see, I've just been marking off all the days. And it just gives like, it's the cutest calendar ever. It gives like little quotes for each month. So this one, be yourself and you can be anything. Then next to my door, I have this full-length mirror. Then I just have my clothes in here, obviously. My clothes and shoes. Just close that because it isn't looking too sharp. And then I have another mirror here. And then if we go to this corner, here's like my little clothing rail. So I kind of like color organized it. Just white and then black, and then it goes to red and then black again, because this is what I wear like every day to work or whatever whenever I'm going out. And then behind it I have just my mop and my broom, because like I said, if it's not cute, it does need to be seen. And then here on my little nightstand, I just keep this little alcohol bottle. Wow, this bottle, and it has little lights in it, so it like lights up whatever, just has a little switch. And then I have some fake flowers there and a deliciously smelling candle. This one is strawberry and creams, and when I tell you it smells delicious, oh my god. And then here is my bed. I got my bedding from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in case you want to get it. And then these pillows are from Wilco. Then I have these little plants up top, which are also from Amazon. 4 of them. And of course, I have some water, some Vaseline, and some cocoa butter next to my bed because my hands and feet get dry. Can't have that. Also my lips, and a bitch gets thirsty, so I need to quench my thirst. Then I have this Virgo book that my sister also got me for Christmas, and basically it's like Virgo diary, so it tells you, it's like a horoscope, daily horoscope and stuff. Then I just have this little Buddha elephant that I got from Poundland for £1. And then here we just have my bookshelf that has barely any books. I have 4 books, and the books that I like to read are poetry books. So I have Milk and Honey, and then I have Whiskey Words and a Shovel. I have volume 1, 2, and 3. And then the crystals that they're lying on are from Amazon. You just type in Himalayan soap crystals, and there you have it. And then on this shelf I just have some pictures that I stole from my sister, some candles, and a vase. And then this one I have a Buddha head, a flower, another picture, and some cactus or cacti, because I have an obsession with cactus, and I only have to water them once a month, so it's perfect. And then I just have these pictures of some cactus and aloe plants. Just be my lover. Boy, you lead me. And then on my desk I have this planner that just says amazing things are going to happen, and then I have my laptop. The marble case is from Amazon. Then I have my Beats, and then over here I just have my mirror, my vanity mirror, and then the perfume that I use every day. It's just White Moss from the Body Shop. It smells so good, you guys. And then here's an overview of my desk. Then in this corner I just have my laundry basket, and then I have a little couch with some pillows. This pillow says inhale exhale, and this one's just like a sequence pillow that like I'm obsessed, you guys, really obsessed. Anyway, I got both of these pillows from August. And there I just have my heater, and here's my window. I am obsessed with the windows and the ceilings in this building, period. It's like high ceiling. And in this little area I have like my little dining table, I guess. So I have my stools, and behind it I have my trash can because I feel like it's not cute, so it shouldn't be seen. And then I have my toaster oven that I got from Amazon as well, my little kettle, and some Scott towel or paper towel, and my sugar. And these leaves are from a store called Tiger, so I just thought that was like a little cute something to add some color. And then here I have my stove and my sink, and on here I have my vitamins because I'm an adult, so I have to do adult things, which means I need to take vitamins. And then I have my sink, like I said, just nothing special to it. And then here's like my little controllers to the stove, and then yeah, under there it's the usual kitchen supplies. And here's my fridge, and then my drawer with all my utensils and stuff. And then I just have some pots and some waters under there. Nothing too fancy. Then up here I just have my microwave. Oh, I look so a mess. And my cutting board, and then my dish tray, dryer, whatever. Up here I just have some bags, some old dishes, and then my cooking stuff and snacks, yada yada yada. And this way we have my bathroom. So I just have my towel on the door, nothing fancy at all. Then here's my shower. Just have my shampoos, my conditioner, my face wash because I wash my face in the shower. And then my toothpaste, Listerine, yada yada yada. And then the face stuff that I use as well. And then in this corner we have toilet paper, stacks and stacks of toilet paper, because I would hate to run out any time of the day. So here's just an overview. And let me tell you, I am obsessed with the shower because it's like see-through. And then the mirror's here, so like I could see myself, you know. I love it. And then yeah, I think I'm finished decorating for now, and by that I mean like I'm not buying anything else or a bit for my room. But yeah, that's what my room looks like.
This feels like summer, but you make me feel so alive. Just be my